the Fed may raise rates. Is this possible? Is it going on? What do you take from all this?
Well, the one thing the Fed's been looking for is an increase in wages, and we got that this month. We saw a 0.4%, but it's still not a large. We're still looking at a little over 2% raise. Inflation's not quite where the Fed wants, which is a 2%, and the other thing going on is the labor force participation rate. It didn't really move, right? It's still at kind of decade lows, and that's something the Fed's also wanted to see.
And then I've got one more question for you, actually. Markets didn't react very well the last time there was kind of the sense that they might raise the rate. Do you think that might happen again?
So the market reacted pretty well today. I mean, it fell a little bit, but usually when we have fears of rate hikes coming, the market, falls out of bed, totally drops. So it didn't happen this time. So one of two things is happening. One is that the market still doesn't believe the Fed's going to really raise rates in December, or two, that the market thinks the economy's at a point where the Fed can raise rates and things will still be fine. And that's something we didn't have a few months ago. What we didn't have a few months ago is the Fed not raising rates and this big fear that the economy's headed off a cliff. That might be over.